Hi guys, it's Addy from Addy and Terry, and I'm going to show you all the fun things that we did on board the Carnival Mardi Gras on our sea day. Our family enjoyed a week-long vacation on board this fabulous ship, and this is what we did on our first sea day.
So we made it to the second sea day, and of course everybody's been talking about Big Shaq's Chicken. It's his first restaurant at sea. We saw it when we got on board on day one, and we was like, yo, I mean, that place was already packed. So today is the day. I'm gonna give it a try. I got the MDE. I don't know if you can check this out or not, but it is the Memphis barbecue sauce, some fries, a little hot slaw, and we're gonna see what Big Shaq's Chicken's all about. See if it's gonna overtake the world famous Guy Fieri burger in a head-to-head comparison. We might just have to do that.
Time now for some fun in the sun. Let's go to the ultimate playground. This zone is ages everybody and up. Kids, you're gonna love it. Adults, this is the playground that you've been waiting for. And of course, you gotta try out the ropes course, complete with a zip line that takes you over the side of the ship. I ain't playing. You see the ocean below. Check it out. And look at Addy getting her pirate life on, walking the plank. Arr, mateys. Of course, the ultimate playground has the Carnival Waterworks, 3 huge spiraling slides, sports square, an entire mini golf course, full court basketball, and a ropes course. And if that's not ultimate enough for you, the ultimate playground starts with Bolt. It's the first roller coaster at sea, an all-electric thrill ride that puts the power of speed in your hands.
I was like, I need to not hit it so hard. I know.
Or how about a round of mini golf? By the looks of this game, yeah, I think they all need a little bit of practice. But hey, this is a fun ship, so it's all about having a good time.
Previous video, link right here, you saw that we had a special guest on board our sailing. And totally freaked me out. Chef Emeril Lagasse. You also saw that he did an auction to have special classes with him and a special chef's table. And we got it. So that's another thing that you could do on your sea day, is have a chef's table. Our chef's table featured a course that was curated specifically by Chef Emeril Lagasse. And man, when I tell you this man's gumbo is amazing, it was so good. I'm so excited.
You seem like fireworks.
You see, we have 3 different bites here on the wooden box. The one on the black slate shows white wafers. These wafers are made from Parmesan cheese. There's a peach and carrot jam on the wafer, along with a tiny piece of peas with grated Parmesan cheese as well. And as you see, the chefs are placing a shot glass. In this shot glass, we have the magic tea. And why we call it a magic tea? Because I have 2 chefs on both the ends with a small teapot in the hand. In this teapot, we have a juice of lime, lemon, ginger, and elderflower. Once this liquid goes into this tea will change its color to purple. This cucumber, I have placed a fork and spoon here on the napkin, so use your fork. Just poke the cucumber and have it at one bite. When you have it at one bite, you will get all these 3 flavors together. The tamarind, the cucumber itself, and the cilantro. A lot of flavors in this tiny little thing. There's avocado, garlic aioli, those tiny pearls which you see. The yellow ones are made from passion fruit, and the black ones are made from balsamic vinegar.
Oh wow.
So how about the little bites? Did you all enjoy the flavors here?
Yes.
And ladies and gentlemen, in a very short period of time, here we have tasted so many different flavors here. So ladies and gentlemen, from here we go to our dining area. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have placed the bread and butter for tonight. We have two types of bread here. The square one is called the flaky Parmesan brioche. And then there's a crisp here in the napkin. This is called the lavash, which has been made from multigrain flour. This part has been just done 20 minutes prior to the chef's table. Please enjoy the bread and butter.
Everybody well? Yes. It's very rustic style, so it's more of the country style of Louisiana as opposed to the city style of Louisiana cooking. Has a very dark roux that it takes a lot of love to make that roux, and the Trinity, and we build it up, and a little bit of chicken stock and duck meat that's simmered and simmered and simmered until it gets just nice and tender. I hope you enjoy. Enjoy.
Thank you. So, yes.
How's the first taste? Everything okay? So good. Great. Just a warm up.
Oh my God.
Enjoy.
It has been smoked on the grill. There's a flower on the other side. This flower petals are been made from butternut squash. And this flower petals are been filled with different types of cream. And please enjoy the pork belly and shrimp.
Thank you.
And from this concrete, we have created this patty which has been slowly shallow fried. Then there's a slice of duck breast with some spiced salt on top. The white cream which you see on the right hand side, the small guino, is the cider onion and elderflower cream. And underneath that cream, there's a powder made from purple potatoes. There's a slice of carrot here. This is called the matured carrot because this carrot has been cooked in its whole juice for 4 hours. Then finally it is been thinly sliced and applied some spice salt on the carrot as well. And here the chefs are serving a sauce for the duck. This is the duck cherry glaze, which goes very well with the duck. Please enjoy the duck. As you see, there's an air bubble. So this is the rosemary infused air bubble. So if your bubble is not burst yet, take your fork or knife and just burst it.
Bust it. I didn't smell it at first. I did.
So this is the rosemary infused air bubble, and in the glass bowl we have the compressed cucumber juice with melon and apple.
Ooh.
So please drink this juice before we go for the fish. And then we have the sea bass here. Underneath the sea bass we have the sauce. That's thick.
Good evening and welcome to Mardi Gras Chef Table. My name is Manoj and I'll be the table artist on board. That means I do a table magic around the specialty restaurants, chef tables, takeouts, everywhere you can see around the ship. So I am one more friend. I'm putting him in the Palm lower level and in the Flamingo restaurant. He's a nice magician too, but I'm more cute. Thank you, man. Thanks for you guys really impressed. I really appreciate that one. Okay. I think I've seen it before. Have you seen me before? I'm famous. Yeah, on Facebook, YouTube, anyway. Okay. What is your name, ma'am? Kara. Can you say stop? Stop. That's quick. Just remember the card you see it. Okay, just remember that right there. King of Diamonds. That's a very good card. Just remember right there. I take the King of Diamonds. Watch. I just do like this. Of course, I can change that card exactly with the name. Christian right there. If that's your card, what's the card you're holding it right there? Can you flip the card, please? Oh, that's the King of Diamonds too. I know. I'm impressed. Wait, I do one more time right here. Thank you. Have you seen me before? No, I was standing there. That's me. Okay, yeah. Wait, let me do that. It's a very bad joke, but I use it every time. That's a card with the name right there. Oh my God, today is nice. Okay, yesterday I was saying something, no reaction. They're like this. Okay. Sometimes people are slow. That's okay. Anyway, I just take the card. I push it in the middle of the deck. I push it inside it. A snap. Do you guys know exactly what happens now, right? What happens now? Wow! Sorry for disappointing you. I don't do that trick. Thank you, Christine. I like that. But I know that trick. I know most magicians on the ship, they do it. But I don't like it, but I can do it. It's very simple. A snap watch. I can bring that card just like that on top, like with the name. See, I know that, but I don't like it. Okay, if you're impressed, I do this slowly, man. In slow motion. Okay, so you can see me cheating in slow motion. That's named the Christian right there. Watch, I just do it slowly right there. Did you see me cheating there? Yeah, because the card is still on the top too. Okay, that's the card with the name. Let me finish that right now. Watch, I say that I hate to do that. Yeah, but I just do this perfectly. Yeah, but actually when I'm doing a trick, I did something else. And you're not watching me carefully, yeah? Especially you, ma'am. I know. I have something in my pocket. Wait, that's my wallet. I like big stuff, ma'am. Okay, it's closed. Inside it, there's an envelope. And inside that envelope, there's a card right there. And of course, you should know that exactly. Christian's card right there. Thank you. So now we can sell it on eBay and become a millionaire later.
In the center there's a blueberry essence, the round sauce. At the bottom there's a cream. That's the mustard and mint cream, the brown dollop, small dollop, the brown one. And on top the white cream, that's the hang yogurt and grilled cheese fondue. And on the right hand side there's a blackberry. And on top of the blackberry there's a deconstructed sriracha made from sriracha sauce, flour, butter and sugar. So please take a bite of this flour, that's the deconstructed sriracha, which is on the blackberry. Which is our next course. So here we have the sweet jar, and then inside we have the peas here. So this will be our next course, a vegetarian course, the salt baked beets. And there's a foam here. This foam is the parsley and horse energy emulsion. That's the two ingredients which we combine together to get a sauce for the beets. That's the parsley and horse energy. Horse energy is a type of a mushroom. Then on the plate, there's a round puff. This is the butter puff with miso glazed eggplant and candied beets on the eggplant. And there's a yellow heap there. This is the candied yuzu, which is on the sweeter side, along with the raspberry mousse, the pink sauce, which is tiny up, that's the raspberry mousse.
You're just not a beet person. I think it's pretty okay. And this is really... That's okay. You don't have to like it. The egg was so
good. The middle one is the caramelized brown onion, and on top there's a cream, that's the horseradish cream. And in the middle we have the chili with burnt butter. And on the other side there's a mash. This mash is made from parsley. And then on the napkin there's a small container containing sauce. That's the mustard gravy. You can pour the mustard gravy on the beef or on the side and enjoy the sirloin. And then in between you can fry those baby kale leaves with pickled mustard seeds on top. Please enjoy the sirloin.
wow is right. Wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have our dessert. That's called the chocolate coffee cocoa, which is the half moon. At the bottom of the half moon, there's the almond biscuiting. Then we have the chocolate and coffee, topped up with burnt butter crumbles, dusted with cocoa powder. On the right hand side, those crisps, the red one is made from the raspberry, the middle one is made from coffee, and at the bottom, there's a crisp made from chocolate. There's a sublime of rose water and vanilla, that's the cream, a bigger dollop at the top and a tiny one at the bottom. And then finally we have the frozen milk ice cream right on top, with two shortbreads holding this ice cream. And inside this ice cream we have the salted honey. Please enjoy the dessert.
See, and that's what I'm scared of. I'm not a big chocolate person. So I should do a teeny tiny bite.
Ladies and gentlemen, here we have our rose cookie, which is on the napkin, made from rice flour, coconut milk and sugar. And on top of this cookie there are tiny pearls. The red one are made from raspberry. And this cookie is been filled with lemon cream inside. Then at the bottom there's a butterfly made from flour, butter and honey. Please enjoy the rose cookie.
Taste of it.
One time. My feet's on fire. Hey, throw your hands up. You know you're blessed to get your cup. Here we go. Here we go.
center stage. The performers were sensational, and the acrobatics that we saw, phenomenal. Be sure to subscribe and click that bell notification to be notified when we post our next video, because you won't want to miss what we got coming up next in San Juan.